Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's class is explain the relationship between the average cost and a marginal cost. Explain the relationship between average cost and marginal cost. Average cost and marginal cost. So let's see here what is cost first. Cost. The cost is the expenditure made by the producer in the process of production is called as cost. The cost is the expenditure made by the producer in the process of production is called as good, is called as cost. Anything by producing any good, the expenditure which is incurred, on producing a good or commodity, that expenditure is called as price. Here you can observe that you cannot say the price and cost are same. They both are different. Cost is the expenditure incurred in the process of production. The cost is the expenditure incurred in the process of production is called as cost. The expenditure incurred in the process of production is called as cost. The price is something that which can be fixed after production. After production of a good is called as price. The price is that fixed after the production, after the completion. Expenditure profit minus expenditure is equal to price. It is the price. It is something that is fixed after the process of production. The cost is that which is incurred in the process of production is called as cost. Anyhow, we don't need here price. Just we are talking the cost and the relationship between the average cost and marginal cost. Here next the average cost. The average cost is obtained by dividing average cost is obtained by dividing total cost by number of units. We can get average cost. Total cost by number of units is equals to average cost. This is the average cost. It is a summation of, and in the average cost can be obtained through that average cost is equals to average variable cost plus average fixed cost. It will be the average cost. Now let's see the marginal cost. Pause the video or take a screenshot. Marginal cost. Marginal cost is the additional cost used to produce and one more unit of commodity is called as marginal cost. Marginal cost, the cost is used to produce the additional or one more commodity. Is called as marginal cost. The cost is used to produce the additional or one more commodity is called as marginal cost. The marginal cost formula is equals to change in total cost by change in output. Change in total cost by change in output is a marginal cost. Now let's see the relationship between these both average cost and marginal cost. Here I can draw it. This both the cost curves are like this. Short run average, short run marginal cost. Here the intersecting point. You can write now, we can see here relationship between average cost and marginal cost. You can see first relationship, both the average cost curve and marginal cost curve are U-shaped. This is the first relationship. Both average cost curve and marginal cost curve should be U-shaped. Second one, both the average cost curve and marginal cost curve should be increasing after a certain level of point, which is called as an intersecting point. After the intersection, both average cost curve and marginal cost curve should be increasing. After intersection, both average cost and marginal cost curve should be increasing at a certain level of extent to increase the output. Now let's see the third one. Here initially the short run marginal cost curve decreasing, after a certain level it started to increasing, and as well as the short run average cost curve started decreasing in initial stage. After the certain point it started to increasing. This is the third relationship. In first, you can write it in starting the both the average cost curve started decreasing. At certain point it started increasing, as well as the marginal cost curve decreasing. At certain point it also started to increase after a certain point of time. Here at this point we can say that both AR, or you can say AC, is equals to MC here at the point of intersection. This is the fourth one. At the point of intersection A, both AR or you can AC is equals to MC. This is the relationship between the average cost curve and the marginal cost curve. You can also define in the graph like this. On the x-axis output is taken, on y-axis price is taken. Here at the point of intersection A, here both average cost curve and marginal cost curve are to be equal. This is the relationship between the average cost curve and marginal cost curve. That's all for the day. So before leaving, please do share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.